Welcome to the project demonstration of Bluetooth and Android mobile phone control robots with obstacle detection alerting system. So here we have the main feature is like we are going to control the movement of this robot in 4 directions: forward, backward, left, right, and stop. So and also it has one more feature of obstacle detection along with alerting. So the alerting nothing but it can provide the alerts at the robot end from the buzzer, which will provide the audible alerts, and also it will send the message alert to the mobile phone like obstacle was detected, so that the user can control the robot from for the other direction. So that obstacle detection can be achieved by this ultrasonic sensor SR04. So here we are going to detect the obstacle for at least of 50 centimeters of distance. So if the obstacle is below the 50 centimeters, then automatically it will provide us the audible alerts and it will send the message alert to the mobile phone through the Bluetooth technology. So for the Bluetooth purpose, we are going to use HC05 is a Bluetooth module. The whole system driven by the Arduino Uno board, which will take the input from the ultrasonic sensor at pin number 2 and 3, and it will send the message alerts and it will receive the commands to control the robot from the HC05, which was attached at pin number 8 and pin number 9. L293D to control the DC motor directions. So L293D is a motor driver. So if you want to control a motor in 2 directions, then we need to use the H-bridge circuits. So L293D is a motor driver which has the 2 H-bridge circuits, so that we can control the 2 DC motors at a time in bidirectional. So if the robot want to move forward direction, these two has to rotate forward direction, and for the backward, these two has to backward. For the left side, this has to backward rotation and this has to the forward direction, and for the right side, reverse. So this has to backward and this has to the forward direction, so that the bidirectional rotation of the DC motors can be achieved by H-bridge, and L293D has the 2 H-bridge inside that, so that we can control the 2 DC motors. So the whole system getting power supply from this rechargeable 12 volt 1 amp battery. So in order to recharge this battery, we are providing a charger. So this charger will take 230 volts AC and provide as a DC output. So we need to connect the battery at the shown slots, B at this B slots, and the next T to the T slot. So this transformer should be connected to the T slot. Check twice before on the power supply to the system. So once on the power supply, so this will take around 4 to 5 hours to be fully charged. So the light shows the battery is charging. So once the battery is fully charged, so there are the 2 diodes will block the current flow from the transformer to the battery in order to protect the battery from the overcharging. So after 4 to 5 hours time, you can just disconnect the charger and you can switch off the power supply to the charger also. So there is a main on off switch. So this is the main on off switch. So initially this buzzer will on and off 2 times, which will show the status of the system is initializing properly. So before on the kit, we need to install the one application to control the DC motors, means robots. So from the Play Store. So this is the Bluetooth terminal. So just type HC05 in the Play Store. You will get this icon. So install that. And now switch on the power supply. So when you are executing that in a mobile phone first time, so then we should pair from the settings initially. So HC05 will be pair. So we can see that the HC05 blinks very fast. So first of all, we need to pair from the settings. So it will ask for the password. The password is 1234. Pair. After successfully pair from this one, it will entering into the historical pair devices. Now go to the application. So HC05, right. So in that, there we can see after pairing from the app, the light blinking red slows down. Right, now it is slowed down. So after that, so before execution, these buttons will come with button 1, button 2, button 3, button 4, button 5. So when we click on that, so just click and hold, so it will pop up like this. So for button 1, type forward. So just erase that, type forward something, and then command is for forward F, small f. Okay, so already I have entered that. So just I am entering the M. So you need to enter forward F and uncheck these two. It will come like this. Uncheck these two. So remember, I am repeating that. Type forward For forward, F. Uncheck these two and save. Like that, backward, left, right, stop. You can see that. So we have changed like this one, right R, small r. So we need to check for the total things. S for stop. So F for small f, backward for small b, and left for small f, small l, right for small r, and next stop for small s. So right, I have done all the changes. Now I can forward. So if you can see, so if it's an obstacle detects, it's not moving actually. Right, let us start. So obstacle detects already. So now, so if the obstacle is present, there is an obstacle in front of that, so it move backward again. Stop for stop, and forward, stop, left, stop, right, stop. So whenever we moving this robot in far left, right, backward, so the obstacle sensor won't work because we need to check the obstacle whenever the obstacle presents in front of the robot. So let us see the robot testing on floor. Right, now let us see the testing. So just type F, forward. So we are receiving the data of obstacle detected. So that we can see that. So now just type backward, stop, left rotation, right rotation, stop.
Hey, wait. Before you have your morning cup of coffee,
Right.
let me share something with you.
ये रेगुलर मिल्क है जो आप रोज पीते हैं, and this is